comes from within. Do not seek it without Lord Buddha. Today, the world observes Buddha Purnima 2026, a deeply sacred and spiritually significant occasion marking the birth anniversary of Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism and one of the greatest spiritual teachers in human history. This day is celebrated with devotion, peace and reflection by millions of followers across the world, especially in regions where Buddhist traditions are widely practiced. Lord Buddha, originally born as Prince Siddhartha Gautama, was the son of King Suddhodana and Queen Maya Devi. He was raised in luxury and comfort within the palace, away from the hardships of the outside world. However, his life took a turning point when he encountered the realities of human suffering. Seeing old age, illness, and death for the first time, these experiences deeply disturbed him and led him to question the meaning of life and the cause of human suffering. At the age of 29, he renounced his royal life and set out on a spiritual journey in search of truth and liberation from suffering. After years of meditation, self-discipline and deep contemplation, he attained enlightenment under the Bodhi Tree in Bodh Gaya at the age of 35. From that moment onward, he became to be known as Buddha, meaning the Enlightened One. His teachings form the foundation of Buddhism and focus on universal values such as compassion, non-violence, truth, mindfulness, and detachment from material desires. He introduced the Noble Eightfold Path, a guiding principle for ethical living and mental discipline, aimed at freeing individuals from suffering and achieving inner peace. Buddha Purnima holds immense religious and spiritual significance. It is believed to mark not only the birth of Lord Buddha but also his enlightenment and attainment of Nirvana. In many traditions, he is also regarded as the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, making the day significant in both Buddhist and Hindu traditions. On this occasion, devotees engage in prayers, meditation, charity, and acts of kindness to honor his teachings. Sacred pilgrimage sites such as Lumbini, his birthplace, Bodh Gaya, where he attained enlightenment, Sarnath, where he delivered his first sermon, and Kushinagar, where he attained Mahaparinirvana, hold special importance and attract devotees from around the world. As we reflect on his life and teachings, Buddha Purnima reminds us that true peace and happiness are not found in the external world, but within ourselves, through compassion, understanding, and self-awareness. Three things cannot be hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth, Lord Buddha. On this sacred occasion, may the teachings of Lord Buddha guide us towards a life of peace, wisdom, and harmony. Wishing you all a blessed and peaceful Buddha Purnima. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.